The future of gas power cutters is now. Introducing the world's first 4-stroke power cutter from Makita. No more mixing fuel and oil. Say goodbye to carrying around separate fuel cans. With Makita MM4 4-stroke technology, fueling up just got a whole lot easier. And piston failure due to improper mixing is a thing of the past. You also get easier starts. An automatic engine decompression valve is engineered into the cam gear to reduce pull start force by 40% and engineered to reduce flooding. The pressure compensated carburetor adjusts automatically to deliver the proper amount of fuel. The efficient MM4 engine idles smoother and operates at a quiet 92.7 decibels. It's also fuel efficient and uses less than a half gallon of gas per hour.